Hello everyone. Today we will compare two learning tools, Anki and Gizmo. First, Anki. Anki is a free and open source flashcard program. It uses spaced repetition. That means cards you know well appear less often, while difficult ones appear more often. You create notes, and from those notes you make cards. Cards may have multiple fields. For example, a word, a definition, a pronunciation. You can also use closed deletions. Because Anki is so flexible, you can customize almost all settings. It works offline. You can install add-ons to add extra features. But it has a steeper learning curve, especially for new users. You must design your own cards and manage decks manually. The interface is simple, but a bit technical. Now Gizmo. Gizmo is a newer AI-powered tool. With Gizmo, you can import existing study material, PDFs, notes, YouTube videos, PowerPoint slides. Gizmo's AI parses those and turns them into flashcards or quizzes automatically. It also supports spaced repetition and active recall, so it uses smart scheduling. Gizmo has a clean, modern interface. It also offers gamification, quizzes, and built-in flashcard decks from other users. But Gizmo relies on internet connection. There is no or very limited offline support. Some advanced features are behind a paid plan. Also, automated cards may need manual correction because AI can make mistakes. If I were advising you, I would try both. Use Gizmo to convert your existing materials quickly, but keep using Anki for deeper study and customization. Thanks for watching.